All right, folks, my next guest has a new book, Triple Compounding for Dummies, and we'll host an extravaganza at the NASDAQ market site this evening to celebrate. I want to bring in now Invest Diva CEO Kiana, Danial, and Triple Compounding Framework. Talk to us like how this works, because it's so fascinating when I was reading through the notes. How does it work, and how did you even come up with this?
Right, so everybody comes to me and say, Kiana, give me the best stock. Like, I missed out on Bitcoin. What should I do? What should I invest in? And the real investment, the first investment, is actually in yourself, in your education, in your skills, and in the things that are going to increase your income. Because guess what? Stocks are not means to actually generate income, are means to accelerate your income. So the first investment is in yourself. The second investment is in whatever that you're doing right now. Even if it's as a side hustle, your extensions, your job, your career, your business, as much money that you can make in order to then put it into the third bucket, external assets. That is how you become a millionaire. That is how I went from $500 to now today, my stock portfolio alone hit $8 million. Thank you, whatever gods of tariffs. But that is how you actually get rich, right, versus knowing what to invest in.
But
externally.
Investing in yourself, do you find that's easier or harder in this age of Chat GPT? I'll just ask Siri. It feels like people are investing less or spending less time with respect to self-improvement.
100% is actually easier. Chat GPT. When I say investing in yourself, I also am talking about investing in your mindset and in your confidence, because there is a difference.
So it's IQ and EQ to a degree.
110%. There is a difference between an investor. Two investors are going to invest in NVIDIA, okay? One investor is like, I don't know, I don't have confidence, I'm just starting with this. The other investor is like, I know exactly what my strategy is. I know my risk tolerance. I know my goal. I know where I'm going. That investor is going to be able to feather out all the ups and downs. But the investor who's like, I don't know, right, who hasn't invested in their mindset, they won't. Right. They will lose.
So they have a lack of confidence, and therefore the first dip, they're out or whatever. And that happens over and over again.
Over and over again. And then your confidence goes lower and lower and lower. And you know what? Stocks are not just for me. Bitcoin is a scam.
So, by the way, I do want to give you props. I've read your first book, Crypto for Dummies.
Cryptocurrency investing for dummies, yes.
You were well ahead of 99% of the people out there. How did you know?
Oh my gosh. So the crazy thing is I found out about Bitcoin in 2011, but I got into it in 2016. And it was just an epiphany for me because I understood it being an immigrant. Right. And I know we don't have much time, but I am so glad that I did. And you were one of the first people who didn't laugh at me. So thank you.
Yeah, no, listen, you were spot on. You came on the show, and whoever watched you, when you said it was going to go to 100,000, people thought you were nuts. They thought you were nuts, but those who listen to you are sitting pretty. I want to get to just some of the stocks before I let you go, because these are some of the picks you like. Micron, I love, right? I just did a big piece on Micron for my subscribers who are in that. Corning, I love that as well. Amacor, I love that. And I just got to circle back. Mm-hmm. Crypto, what are you in? I know you still own Bitcoin.
Oh, I'm not selling my Bitcoin at this point. And so now that interest rates might go down, I am also staking Solana and Ethereum just for that income to come in. And then I reinvest that back into Bitcoin. So that's what I've been doing in the
okay, and again, it's triple compounding for dummies. Good stuff.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
You have a really large and loyal following because you're real. I appreciate that. Thanks.
Thank you so much.